Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to you. Welcome to another version of today's program. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button to support your boy. Turn on the notification bell to stay tuned. The video you're about to watch is exactly how it happened between ESN, Eastern Security Network, and the Fulani terrorist Janjaweed in our land who are ravaging and destroying our farms. Watch the video for yourselves.
We are the DSS. We are here to tell this idiot, this stupid Fulani, that this place is not for them. They must leave our land. We are formidable. We are formidable. We have dealt with them. We have killed most of them. Their cows are dead. We have chased them away. These idiots cannot. They should leave our land. Machete them. Kill them, machete them. Machete them. Machete them. We are formidable. We are formidable. This place is not for them. We cannot leave them. Cut them. Cut them. Cut them. There's no place for them. There's no place for them. So long as Biafra land is concerned, there's no place for you. There's no place for you. There's no place for you. We cannot allow you to stay in our land. You kill our women. You rape them. Eh? You think you got scot-free? There's no place for you. We will kill you. We will kill you. Go and tell your brothers, wherever they are. People who are mad, you are stupid. You don't crazy. We won't leave you. There's no place for you here. Leave our land alone. There's no place for you. There's no place for you. These are their houses. We are setting them ablaze. Look, these are their stupid cows. They are stupid cows. There's no place. There's no place.
Leave our land for us.
There's no place.
Leave our land for us.
We should say these things are bleed. I was saying to hear we hear no. Yes. Hey, not throw the phone. We go use the phone.
Put it on the fire.
These idiots. Huh? There's no place for you.
Leave our land.
Say them ablaze. Say them ablaze. Say them ablaze. Say them ablaze. So, there's no place for you. There's no place for you. We will kill you. We will kill you. I've done that. Yes. So she said this is a bleed. Cover it.
Leave that cover. That just cover the going.
We don't want you to know here. Leave our land.
This thing is still alive.
Leave that. It's okay. Leave that thing. We are taking it. We are taking that thing. Move front.
So most of this we used to enter inside this cow. So we need to make sure that they are dead.
Shoot them.
Can you man see? Yes, so they don't know the people that they are dealing with. This is our land. This is another house of theirs. We are setting it at ablaze. Even their juju, even their clothes and their shoes. Huh? Yes, so these are their juju. Bring it down.
Look at their juju.
Eh?
Look at their juju there.
We are.
Come this side.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. We are here. Yes, sir. Where is Anama? Show me. Show me. We are here.
We are there. We are those stupid cows. And even the ones they entered inside.
Leave our land. Leave our land.
Yes, these are their houses. They have run away. We have chased them away. Somebody should set this place ablaze. Eh? Set this place ablaze. Somebody, look. Look at this one. They are down.
Bring the fuel. Where the fuel? This side, follow me. This way, come on. Let's move this way.